Have you ever wondered how a watch is made? It's an intricate process. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of watchmaking. We'll explore the steps involved in creating a fine timepiece. From initial design to the final assembly, each step is fascinating. The first step is designing the watch. Designers sketch ideas that cater to trends and functionality. Next, they select materials like stainless steel, gold, or leather for the band. Once the design is set, it's time for precision engineering. Watchmakers create components like gears, springs, and dials. Each part is meticulously crafted to ensure accuracy. After that, the components are assembled. Watchmakers carefully fit the movement inside the casing. This process requires skill and attention to detail. Next, the finishing touches are added. Dials are polished, and bands are attached. It's important that every detail matches the design vision. Now, let's visualize a scenario. Imagine a wristwatch that takes 3 months to complete. Each day, watchmakers work on tiny parts, ensuring excellent quality. In summary, watchmaking combines art, engineering, and passion. Every watch tells a story through its design and craftsmanship. Want to learn more about different types of watches? Subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey. As the watchmakers work tirelessly, they engage in dialogue, sharing stories about their favorite pieces and the techniques they've mastered over the years. Did I ever tell you about the time I created a watch for a famous musician? One watchmaker chuckles, wiping oil from his hands. The others lean in, eager to listen as he recounts the challenges and triumphs of bringing that vision to life, painting a vivid picture of dedication and creativity. Every detail mattered, he continues, his eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. The musician wanted something unique, something that reflected his personal style. I had to experiment with colors and materials until I found the perfect blend. The room fills with a buzz of excitement as the other watchmakers nod, their hands busy but their minds captivated by the tale unfolding. They all understand how each creation reflects not only their skills but also the dreams and aspirations of those who wear their timepieces. Each watch tells a story. Another watchmaker chimes in, placing a newly polished dial on the workbench. Just the other week, I received a request to create a commemorative watch for a community event. The challenge was to incorporate symbols that represented our town's spirit. He pauses, allowing the others to absorb his words, then adds, "It was a labor of love, from selecting the right materials to engraving those meaningful details." They pause to exchange knowing smiles, feeling the weight of their shared craft as the atmosphere shifts, blending focus and camaraderie in the workshop. Each piece not only serves a function but also embodies a narrative, he reflects, adjusting his glasses thoughtfully. Through their work, the watchmakers transform mere materials into cherished memories, intertwining craftsmanship with the stories of their clients. As they continue to bond over their experiences, it becomes clear that watchmaking is not just a profession but a passion that fuels their lives and shapes the world around them.